A lot of people have been asking us how we haul two motorcycles in a truck, and the answer is we use two wheel chocks and two 2x6s, and we lag bolt the wheel chock to the 2x6s. We think the most important part is this crossing. So you connect, the orange one is connected to the GSX-R lower forks, and it comes over here, and then of course you have a short one that goes to here. Then the green one from the ZX7 goes over to that hook. So that's the cross. Very important. Just so you know, the distance between center to center, so they're not touching, is 33 inches, I believe. Sorry. Yeah, so 33 inches center to center. That's what I would do. You could probably make them 32 because there's some distance there. Hope that's helping. If you have any problems or any questions, let us know. But you can see the distance from the bike to the side of the truck is pretty good. And the GSX-R, again, pretty good. Muffler to truck. And then you see the bike's not even touching the wheel well. So you have a little bit more space here. You could go in another inch or so. All right, and then of course you have this to this, but the most important part, I believe, on this part is these are connected. You want to connect the bikes so they're as one, and then you have tension here and tension here, and that way they don't move side to side and get loose and hit the pipe on the truck. I like the spacing. Again, you could probably go in another inch, so like 32 center to center. And then of course you have this one. Again, I'm sorry about the video. It's early morning. We just gotta have to get these motorcycles out of here. I need the truck for the day to haul a couple other motorcycles. So I hope that helps. Hauling two motorcycles at once. It's a little tricky, but I hope that helps. Any questions, comments? Please, 101garage.com, 101 Garage Arizona, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Instagram's kind of fun. TikTok is too. But any questions or any comments how you haul two motorcycles, love to hear it. Again, this came from California. I made it the whole way without any problems. All right, take care. Have a good day.